Case amagi process satharingai manungda paumi singna legal reporting piduna pau phongba yade process loidriba pau aduna miyamda lana chatkinabagi machak ama ohli haina Hindustan Times ki legal editor 𝗑𝗏𝗧𝗏𝗏 phongdokre wafam asingasi High Court of Manipur amadi Manipur State Legal Services Authority 𝗪𝗏𝗪𝗏 na sinduna challenges in legal reporting and the role of media haibihiramda nomagi oiba khana neinabagi tharam ama High Court of Manipur gi just launched hall da pangthokiba tharam aduda phongdokibani khana neinabagi tharam aduda resource person oikiba 𝗑𝗏𝗧𝗏𝗏 hai miyamda asingba achumba report sing pinaba honabada paumi singi thodang yamna chawi Court na thadorokpa cherol singda paumi singna public da khanghandringai mamangda court kamari lenaba singa pau faunaraba matungda case khudingmak cross check toraba matung hanjin kupna yengtuna asengba achumba khanglaba matamda pau phonggadabani mapung fadriba case natraga process sathoriba case ama miyamda khanghanbada lana chatkiba yaba phibam leibana case mapung faraba matungda pau adu phonggadabani case ama loishinaba honabada stage kaya ama lei paumi singna hena court ki Sizinariba language sing asi khanghanaba thabak thoram kaya amasu paikhatnaba sem sari masina paumi singbu hena mayek singna khanghanduna niyom chumna pau phongba ngamnaba paikhalakpa khongthang amani social media pariba miyoi singnasu miyamda sak takpa yaba photo natraga video upload tawba yaba yadabagi matangda sumunna khangfam thoi maduna khangdana Thabak taubana tungda akaiba kaya ama lakani haibasu khangadabani nakal ama khaktangi wa taraga report piroidabani loinena juvenile oiriba singi casing lakpada miyamda khanghanba yaba yadabagi matangdasu paumi singa khana neinaki
Not is going to be tried. So for us it is important to understand the difference between framing of charges, commencement of a trial, and when trial is commenced, the question of evidence, the question of testimonies, cross-examination, all that will happen, and then there will be a conviction order, and perhaps after the conviction order there will be a chance, opportunity given to the accused to now for the quantum of punishment they can argue what should be the, on the point of sentence there will be an argument. So we must understand each and every stage of a criminal trial when we are reporting about a criminal case. Therefore, what I believe is that it's important for us to understand the court procedures, the legal processes extremely well so that we can accurately report about a pending trial. Likewise, for a constitutional court which has a wider jurisdiction, we have the writ petitions, we have the criminal writ petitions, we have the civil writ petitions, we will have also the appeals arising from the district court.